हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। माई सेल्फ राही मासूम रजा फ्रॉम ट्रेडर स्मिथ इंडिया। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया दो स्टॉक। वन इज भारती हेक्साकॉम एंड द सेकंड वन इज गॉडफ्रे फिलिप्स इंडिया। सो लेट्स सी हाउ दीज टू स्टॉक्स अपीयर्स ऑन द चार्ट एंड व्हाट देयर टेक्निकल सजेस्ट्स। सो ये भारती हेक्साकॉम का ये डेली चार्ट है और यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि द स्टॉक वाज ट्रेडिंग इन द consolidation phase from the past few months, we can say, or past few weeks. Almost from October onwards 2024, the stock was trading in this sideways, or we can say it was trading in the consolidation phase. But after hitting its recent low at 1234 on 22nd Jan, the stock has witnessed buying interest from the lower level. And from the past 2 weeks, we can see that there has been change in the price. Overall price structure has changed. And आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में द स्टॉक हैज फॉर्म्ड ए बुलिश कैंडल with higher high and higher low price structure on the daily chart, and also it has reclaimed its 100 DMA and 50 DMA, even its 21 DMA as well simultaneously. So ये एक अच्छा पॉजिटिव सिग्नल है और वी कैन से लाइक इसमें थोड़ा सा एक बाइंग इंटरेस्ट इमर्ज हुआ और इसका ओवरऑल ट्रेंड हैज रिवर्स्ड. So let's see how this stock looks like after a few days, whether this buying interest continues or a stock price is trying to move towards upside or not. It is a matter of time. But if we'll talk about its EPS strength, it is fair, which is placed around 75, and the buyer demand is fair as well, which is placed at C plus. If you look at its number of funds holding in the last quarter, that has increased to 18.06%, which is good. The next stock is Godfrey Phillips. So Godfrey Phillips, maybe we can see like the stock was trading in the correction phase from the it was trading in the negative territory from the past few weeks, and from the past few months, especially from September 16 onwards, the stock has shown we can say deterioration in the price or profit booking as well, which in this process it has also breached its all key moving averages and its support area. But from the past 2 weeks again here as well, the stock is trying to stock has traded on a flat note from past in this range of around, I can say the date range is 22nd Jan till 28th Jan, 1 week. But from the past 2 weeks there has been some buying interest, especially आज के ट्रेडिंग session में the stock has reversed its trend and it has gained around 19%, which is great on intraday, and overall price structure has improved and it has reclaimed its 200 DMA with above average volume. यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम का स्पाइक देख सकते हैं, which वॉल्यूम अच्छा खासा आया है आज. So which is a positive sign. And if we'll talk about its EPS strength, so EPS strength is 78, which is fair, and the buyer demand is also placed at C minus. So that is also good, but still there is a lack of there is a lack in the buying demand, we can say. So once the buying will emerge and some more buying will take place, obviously buyer demand rate rating will change accordingly. So ये आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे ऑन मंडे विथ अनदर स्टॉक्स एंड अनदर चार्ट. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.